Hey guys, welcome back. So today on this video, we are talking about the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. And more specifically, I'm going to try to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how much do people make with the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too much to go over, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how much I've made on the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program with one of my channels. But why would you want to know anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Depending on how many videos you have inside of your YouTube channel, it can be a lot of work to tag all the different products. So you might be wondering if it's worth it. Whatever the case is, I've already opened up my YouTube channel. You can see right here. So this particular channel is a review channel. So there's a lot of different product videos. In fact, this channel has thousands of product reviews. Also, this channel gets about 40 to 50,000 views per day. So over the course of about a month, I went through all the different videos with my team, and then we tagged all the videos for relevant products. So we're coming out of the Christmas season right now. So this is what it looks like on the past 28 days. You can see the amount of sales is 7,000, and then the estimated revenue is about $324. So there were some pretty good sales days in Christmas. So you can see on the 24th, it was $70. Here it was $39. So of course, this is going to vary depending on what type of traffic you're getting to your channel, and then also what types of products that you're presenting as well. So let me show you what this looked like in December. So December. So during the month of December, I was still busy tagging right here. So I didn't actually start tagging until the beginning of December, I believe. So probably missed out on some sales here, but that's okay. So for the month of December, it was about 259. You can see I had a pretty good return right here, $31 and 122 orders. Now, when you're going through your videos tagging each and every product, a lot of the products that I've tagged have 0% commission. I don't know why that is. I still went ahead and tagged them because they're for a company, Walmart. And the way Walmart does it, if somebody buys a product with a 0 commission, you actually get some sort of credit for everything that's added into their cart. So there are some transactions that I receive commissions for products that I don't have a review on. So even though the 0% kind of sucks, I still went ahead and had those tagged. And that way I can try to get a commission off of everything else that they put into their cart. So I'm actually recording this on January 9th. So let's go ahead and jump over to January. So it's been 9 days in and it's about $66. So it's not really a huge amount of money, but since I already have the views and I already have the videos and the reviews, I went ahead and tagged them just to get the payment. So a lot of my videos have an affiliate link to Amazon as well. So that's going to be in the description. That's going to be completely different than the YouTube shopping. And then for this particular channel, my Amazon affiliate last month was about $125. So that was in December for this one channel. And then for the YouTube shopping, it was $259. So as you can see, it's a pretty good comparison, or it's a good add-on to your product reviews if you already have an Amazon affiliate link. So let me go ahead and just go through these. So in December 2024, $259, that's revenue. Now, if there's any kind of returns, that's going to be backed out of this amount. So for example, this should actually be about $289, but there was a $30 return here. Had this not been returned, it would be about $200. And same thing right here, total sales, you can see $5,400, but that same return was about $200 of a return. And then we'll click here over to orders. You can see the orders have kind of ramped up a little bit towards the end. That's to be expected just because it's during the holidays, and then product clicks as well. So here on December 25th, turned out to be about 200 product clicks. Okay, so we're going to jump over here to January. So January, we're only 9 days in. So here on the revenue, there was a decent day here on the 1st, and then you can see it kind of dwindled down. So looks like yesterday was 0, Monday was $5. Also, another thing I noticed when I'm waiting for commissions to come in, if you're looking at your revenue from YouTube, usually it's going to show the revenue for the day prior, the following day in the afternoon. However, with YouTube shopping, I've actually seen my affiliate program revenue show up days later. So it might be 2 days, 3 days, 4 days later. So right now it says $5, but I have logged back in, and this $5 could change up to, I don't know, $24. I was trying to look for information on how long the cookies are for each time somebody clicks on your YouTube shopping affiliate link. I wasn't able to find anything, but with affiliate with Amazon, it's a 24-hour cookie. So with YouTube, I don't really know how long the cookie is lasts. The only information they would provide is that each store that you're doing YouTube shopping affiliate for, they have their own specific cookie. So it might be 10 days, it might be 1 day, some of them might be 30 days or 60 days. So it really depends on the store. So to answer the question, is the YouTube shopping affiliate program worth it? I would say yes, because once you've tagged all of the videos, you don't really have to go back in there and do it again. And then again, since these videos are already there, it took a lot of work to go through all of the videos and tag them. But now that it's done, it's just going to go ahead and process, and I'll still keep getting revenue as long as the YouTube shopping affiliate program is active for this particular channel. So there you have it, guys. That's my revenue for this one particular channel of mine for product reviews. That's how much I'm making for my YouTube shopping affiliate revenue. If you're making more than that, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know, because it doesn't seem like there's a lot of videos showing the different types of revenue coming in from the YouTube shopping affiliate program. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.